Hey everybody, this is Doug Madison, and if you watch my other two videos about the 10 fraudulent arrest warrants, I'm going to show you how now the clerk of court's involved and how they are organizing and providing these fraudulent documents to the clerk of court for use in court cases illegally. This is organized crime across multiple departments and agencies, and I'll show you how it's organized. This is my court case. My case is a 136 case in 2023. My warrant was supposedly issued in 6/9 of 23, which is no issued capices or any entry about anything about capices. But the first document you can view is the arrest report initiating case. If we pull this up, now you would assume this is the Madison County Sheriff's Office report, my report, or the report about my arrest, something like that, in that effect, right? Some kind of law enforcement agency report. But in fact, this is the cover page from the Madison County Sheriff's Office when they provide a document to the clerk of court. But look it's not a police report. The only document here is a fraudulent arrest warrant. This is how they are disguising and providing these fraudulent arrest warrants under disguise of police reports in the court docket, guys. If you look at my arrest warrant, see, you go all the way down to the bottom. There's nothing else left. You can see there's nothing else. You can see down here at the bottom. The only thing they provided is this fraudulent arrest warrant here, and you can see like it has the wrong title. It's supposed to be capices. Has the wrong court case number. Mine is the 136 2023. This is the Madison County Sheriff's Office police report number. There's a lot of stuff going on that's wrong here. This is fraud and forgery. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna show you another case how to prove that this is not just an isolated situation. This is all right, this is Kendrick's case is 1/7 of 2022. We're going to go to all entries. Now his warrant was supposedly issued on the 6th, which is if you go down to the 6th, there is no warrant, no issued capices on the court docket, which proves that his warrant is fraudulent. But again, just like mine, arrest report initiating case is the first viewable document. Now we assume this is the police department. Madison Police Department is the one who manufactured his document, his arrest warrant, and executed it. So we assume this should be the Madison Police Department report of some kind. And we will patiently wait for this to pop up so we can review how this is organized crime going on. This is the Madison County Sheriff's Office. What are they doing? They have nothing. They didn't arrest the person on this case. They didn't fill out. There is no Madison County Sheriff's Office report. I wonder why this is the title. This report, this cover page is Madison County Sheriff's Office. That's kind of weird, right? That's the first thing you want to notice. Second thing is, oh hey, this ain't a police report. This is a fraudulent arrest warrant. See, this is how they are supplying these fraudulent arrest warrants to the court to use in conviction of these victims in alleged crimes. Now, this one actually provides this proves that the sheriff's office ain't nothing to do with it. This is the Madison Police Department arrest affidavit. This ain't even a sheriff's office document. What is the sheriff's office providing a fraudulent arrest warrant and the arrest affidavit from different agencies to the court for? Because the Madison Sheriff's Office is higher rank on the organized crime than they are. They are literally facilitating these crimes. It sounds like I'm in a plot of a bad book. I swear to God, people. I mean, you want to just check this one more time. Make sure this wasn't a trick. See, arrest report, initiating case. Click on it. This is such a crazy situation, and if I wrote a book about what's going on in this county, you wouldn't buy it. You'd think it's absolutely fake. When this is really going on in this county, I couldn't make this shit up. I couldn't make it up. This whole situation of this county is so out of control. It's literally bonkers, man. See? No trick, everybody. This is a report from the Madison County Police Department and a fraudulent report and a fraudulent warrant that they manufactured and executed, and the sheriff's office is providing it to the court. Unbelievable. So So let's go. Now check out these next ones. You're gonna love these. These are even better. Now, Mr. Markevius, I requested him and Mr. Graham's warrants. Case dockets. The offense. I requested his under my real name, and I didn't think they were gonna commit fraud at this level. I mean, I knew they were committing fraud, but I thought the cat was out in the bag, and it was like they couldn't commit any more fraud now because, you know, the days come that it's time to pay for the check that they cashed, and they changed these dockets on me. So I've learned how to now document them on the internet before I request them. If I do my name, and generally I do it under a third party, so they don't know it's coming to me, and that's how I'm getting these documents from now on. If we go down here, we got to put all entries. Check this shit out. Okay, now this is the changed document. Now I feel like they're doing, like Mr. maybe Washington is involved with some really bad people, and he's in over his head, and he's like making these errors. Because I can't imagine people seriously think this is how they're covering their own ass, because they're not covering their own ass. They're providing more evidence that the crimes have occurred. Like, for example, this is a changed document. This is a tampered record, and I can prove this. So if you look on the 728, we got issued capacis, right? Then after that, it says active progress. How can it be issued before the active progress capacis? This is when the affiant files the request for the capacis in court. So they're saying it's been issued before it was the request was filed. And then if you look higher than this, it says active progress capacis deposition on a 9/5. That's a week later after the warrant was issued. The deposition of the capacis, active progress capacis, that's when the affiant provides the evidence to the judge. So this court docket says the warrant was issued a week before the affiant provided the evidence to the judge to make a probable cause determination and assign the arrest warrant. I swear. Can't make this shit up. This is 100% tampered with. This is 100% fake. I mean, come on, guys. I couldn't make this shit up. Well, seriously, look at it. On the 9/5 is when, right here, it's when it was the deposition when the affiant provided the evidence to the judge. But down here, a week before, on the 7/28 is when it was issued, and then between the two is the progress. That should be the first thing in the entry, is when they filed the request for the warrant. I can't make it up. Let's do this last one before the time runs out. And that one is Quanze Hill. And Hills is just the same way. Oh fuck, I forgot which one it is. I think it's this last one. Nope. Let's see, this is in 2021. Yeah, right here. Go this to all. Hurry up, I got a short time here. Alright. Come on, don't fuck with me. This is, okay, issue capacis on 6/14. But on the 15th, it shows that the request for capacis was filed. And then 2 years and 4 months later, on 2023, is when the capacis deposition is. That means it was 6/14/21 is when it was issued, but yet the affiant provided evidence to the judge 2 years and 4 months later. This is this docket stating right here. Okay, 10/2/23, 6/14/21. They're saying that the affiant provided evidence to the judge to make a probable cause determination 2 years and 4 months after the warrant was issued. Come on, guys. You all have a good night. This is just the beginning of it. Stay tuned. If you want to know about some corruption being exposed, this is the channel. This is the stuff's going on. I'm going to have to file a writ to Mandarin to make FDLE to enforce the laws on this. I just did the research tonight. That's what I got to file it next week. I got to figure out which court. I believe it's in Leon County. The circuit court is the one I'm going to file with. I got to do some more research on that. But you all have a good night. God bless you all. Keep it real. Check your documents, especially if you get arrested in Madison County. Good night.